Hello students, welcome for Himalaya YouTube channel. Imagine you'll become Indian administrator. In general studies, Indian polity is an important subject in IAS main and preliminary examination. It consists preamble, citizenship, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, parliament, union government, state government, judiciary. Constitution is supreme law of the land. In constitution, parliamentary system taken from UK. Legislative, it is law making body. Executive, it is law implementing body. Judicial, it is law observing body. Parliament, it consists President of India, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. In Lok Sabha, 530 MPs elected by people in state, 20 MPs elected by people in union territory, 2 MPs nominated by President of India who belongs to Anglo-Indian community. In Rajya Sabha, 236 MPs elected by MLAs, 12 MPs nominated by President of India. Legislative procedure and parliamentary privileges taken from UK. Republican form of government taken from France. Constitution amendment procedure taken from South Africa. Constitution amendment. It requires two-thirds MPs vote in Lok Sabha, two-thirds MPs votes in Rajya Sabha, and President of India signature. Federal structure taken from Government of India Act 1935. Supreme Court judicial review taken from USA Constitution. Fundamental rights taken from USA Constitution. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies, rule of law and rule of procedure taken from UK and USA. Vice President of India position taken from USA. Rajya Sabha consists Vice President. He is Chairman, Deputy Chairman, 250 MPs. Deputy Chairman is part of 250 MPs. Directive Principles of State Policy taken from Ireland. Emergency Provisions taken from Germany. There are three types of emergency. National emergency comes under Article 352. State emergency comes under Article 356. Financial emergency comes under Article 360. The Article 352 national emergency can be proclaimed only when country is threatened by war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. Article 360, the financial stability or the credit of India or any part thereof is threatened. The President may declare a state of financial emergency. State emergency can be declared in any state of India under Article 356 on the recommendation of the Governor of State. Concurrent list taken from Australia. Department handled by both state and central government called as concurrent list. Example, Women and Child Department. Federation with strong center taken from Canada. Fundamental duties from Russia. Question. Consider the following statements. Legislative procedure and parliamentary privileges taken from UK. Republican form of government taken from France. Constitution amendment procedure taken from Germany. Which of the following statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2. D. 1, 2, 3. Answer C. 1 and 2. Legislative procedure and parliamentary privileges taken from UK. Correct. Republican form of government taken from France. Correct. Constitution amendment procedure taken from Germany. Wrong. Constitution amendment procedure taken from South Africa. Students, feel you'll become district collector. Thank you. Visit Himalaya YouTube channel.